2011 Audi S-Line. What is it, Audi A4 or?
A4, yeah.
A4 S-Line. Beautiful car. It's a good friend of mine. I've known him for many, many years. We just put him a high-flow cat, then 2.5 or 2.25 pipe instead of the resonator that goes right here. Add him a couple of hangers because all his hangers were broke. And then we put him a stainless steel muffler, a DC muffler, out the back to complete the look. Right there, one of these off the rack that we have right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do all that what you do. There's the old muffler that was on it. I don't know where the resonator is. There's the resonator right there. That's the resonator. And that's the muffler, because we did it on 2 lifts. That's the muffler we cut off. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Got some chrome on it now, or stainless steel. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys subscribe. We're only getting 20% of our subscribers to actually subscribe, of the people that are watching, so we'd really appreciate you if you guys hit that button. That's better. That's what you're used to. It's not too loud, just deep.
Yeah.
Again? You gotta get a tune-up done on it, man. It's running rich. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 90. Going to sound decibels. How much noise? It's a 2.5 inlet, 4-inch inlet DC Sport. Not a bad looking Audi.
What do you think causing all that?
Let you guys hear it on the inside. Audi A4 S-Line. The resonator delete, high flow cat, and a DC Sport muffler. And it's a 6-speed. Enjoy, guys, and check out our new sign, guys.